took off. So we tasked Tyresha to turn the air on. Let me show y'all what she did. Is y'all ready? This motherfucker opened their window.
Hey, it's a recession. I'm paying bills on.
Let me show you the only light that's on because shit ain't free. This is the living room, and you can't see shit because we ain't got no lights on.
The computer thing.
This is the bathroom. You can't see shit because we still ain't got no lights on. This her room. You really can't see shit because we ain't got no lights on. But we got some lights on in here. We got some lights. Tyresha, put your motherfucking clothes on. Quenisha, we can see your pink panties. Deshaun, I don't even.
I'm sexy.
He just took a shit. That's what he took.
You're a jerk. You're a jerk. You're a jerk. You're a jerk.
Deshaun, don't break your ankle. You the only way we getting back home.
You're a jerk. You're a jerk. You're a jerk.
You out of breath.
Okay, I can't do that, but.
Tyresha, please don't fall into your computer. That's your workstation.
What are you doing?
My ice shirt smells like ratchet. Got this girl on my side, she loving them jerkin songs like a new iPod. You touch it and turn around and
Okay.
I wanted to be down there on a baby. Alright.
Something ain't off here. Come time.
1, 2, and 3. Do you see this? Just unholy. Deshaun, it's gonna break his leg. You finna kill it for real. Deshaun, you is not humping nobody. Get up. I keep throwing the dick.
One more time.
Okay.
Okay, ain't no AC on, so it's kind of. Yeah, I thought you would be jerking.